Karma Guy here. Check out this 2018 Ford E350 Super Duty Cutaway van with only 31,000 miles and a recent service valued at over $5,475. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles, and you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Recent updates include piston rod bearings, AC receiver dryer, engine overhaul, timing chain, and more. It's fully inspected and ready to go. We know buying a car is a big decision, so ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. But remember, price reductions or discounts could void the warranty. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Come see us today